Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Mana token. In my previous videos of Mana, I have been sharing with you a very big bullish reversal setup that Mana completed on the weekly time frame, and I told you that after visiting the buying zone of this big bullish reversal harmonic cipher pattern, the Mana can be pumped from here. And this was the chart that I shared in the month of July for my members at the Patreon on the weekly time frame. The Mana completed the final leg of the bullish cipher. And here we also had a very strong and key support at 50 cents, and Mana recently tested this support here and here as well. And I was a bit late in catching this pattern because at that time the price line was moving at 72 cents, you can see here. But I told my members that we can expect that it may give us another chance to catch it from the potential reversal zone or the buying zone. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the Mana again moved down and tested the key support here and moved up. That was more than 150 more than 100% move, because it tested here the 50 cents and rallied up to $1.10. Now it is moving back in this potential reversal zone of a big bullish cipher. Now let's move to the live chart to show you what the price line can do next. By the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this is the live daily time frame, and here we can see after this move the price line first formed an up channel here. This was the resistance of the channel, and this was the support. It was moving very well between the resistance and support and broke down this channel here, and for a while the price action formed a down channel here. This was the resistance of this down channel, and this was the support and the price line. Even this was a kind of falling wedge, not the down channel. You can see that the support was lifting to the upside, therefore it was a falling wedge. That is a bullish reversal pattern, and the price line broke out this resistance of the falling wedge. The target was the tail of the wedge, and you can see that the price line approximately reached at the level where we have this tail of the wedge. Now here recently the price action has formed another up channel. Let me place this regression tool. It will automatically draw a channel for us. Now you can see the price line was moving very well between the resistance and support of this channel. Let me to refine this channel for you. This was the resistance and it was the support of the channel, and you can see here recently on 7th of September the price line broke down the support of the channel, and it was being accumulated above the 100 simple moving average here. This red one is the 100 simple moving average, and now right now it is breaking down the 100 daily simple moving average. We are not having closing so far. We did not have any closing below this 100 simple moving average, but once it will be closed below this level, it will be broken down, and it is also possible that before the closing the price line will be moved above this 100 simple moving average. Now if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, then here I'm going to show you major support and resistance levels for Mana token. We had a key support here at 50 cents, and now we have a 50 simple moving average support between the 50 cents and 65 cents. Sorry, this is the 65 cent support, not the 60 cent. And we have a very strong simple moving average 50 support between the price level supports of 50 cents and 65 cents. Now after 65 cents our next resistance is at 80 cents, then $1, then $1.20, then $1.55 is our final resistance. Right now we can see the price line is being rejected by this $1 resistance level. You can see the price line moved up. It was even closed above $1, but while moved down for retesting the previous resistance as a support, like after breaking out this resistance, the price line retested this 65 cents resistance as well. Same as like that, the price line was testing the support of $1, but failed in retesting, in saving that support, and moved down and even broke down the next support of 80 cents as well. and now it is moving to the next support of 65 cents. Now if we switch to the daily time frame, then we can see that this 65 cent support has been breaking as a nice support previously, but we have a more strong support at 50 cents. It is possible that the price line can test this 50 cent support once again, and from here we can expect another reversal. So far we did not have any closing below this daily 100 simple moving average, and we are just going to test the 65 cent support. Unless this support is not broken down, it is possible that the price line will be reversed to the upside from here. You can see so far the price line is moved up to 66.29 cents. And if this support of 65 cents will be broken down, then we can expect a further move to the downside. But remember, we also have this 50 simple moving average, very strong support. And in order to test this 50 cents price level support, first the price line needs to break down this 50 simple moving average, very strong support on the weekly time frame. Now if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low of June to this high, then we can see that the price line is moved exactly almost at the golden pocket. That is the golden ratio, and from here we can expect a reversal because this is 0.618 Fibonacci golden pocket as well. And we also have a support of 65 cents, and if the price line will accumulate above this level, then you can see this 50 simple moving average is also moving up to provide the support to the price line, and the price line can use both supports at one time, like the 50 and the 65, and it can start a reversal move from here. And this bullish reversal that was started from this pattern that I shared with you, that is a very big bullish cipher pattern, and then this bullish rally will be continued after this small correction. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared my link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.